908, that's the perimeter. On the east side, I'm the calm storm. Guess I'm something like a limiter. Yeah, I'm something like a limiter. She too much, I got a limiter. While me and bro in the back, yeah, sipping goose, no Canada. Sipping goose, no Canada. Sipping goose, no Canada. I'm the truth, let me show the proof. Looking super clean, no janitor. Super clean, no.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews. Back again with another banger, you know what I mean? Let me shout out my alpha generals, generalettes, alpha male and alpha females in the building. You heard, you know what I mean? Like, comment, subscribe, you know what I mean? And what I got here for y'all today is another banger by Jaxxon. Yeah, I said it. Jaxxon. I think y'all gonna like this one. This one's a little bit different. It's something to my personal liking. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it, man. Support your boy. Share your boy. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you get videos every time I drop. And you know what I mean? Help your boy get bigger. I'm going to be announcing a giveaway soon this week. So stay tuned for that. You know what I mean? Y'all want to be a part of that. I'm doing a 2,000 subscriber giveaway. So help me get to that number. I'll be announcing that soon. So the quicker we get that up there, we almost there. I think we're about 1,800 right now. So the quicker we get that up there, the quicker your boy will be giving out some more jewelry. You feel me? You heard? You know what I mean? I'm gonna give y'all, I know I'm kind of late with this, but happy New Year's. I hope everybody was being safe. Y'all know me, I was out visiting family, and this weather change has kind of messed up my sinuses, so forgive me if I sound a little different. But without further ado, like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Let's get to the video. What's going on YouTube? Like I said in the intro, it's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews. I'm back again, yes, back to back with another banger. This one is by Jaxxon. So let's get to it without taking too long, you know what I mean? You heard? Got a nice Jaxxon envelope. Look like the more and more they're out, the more and more they're dressing up, you know what I'm saying? There's stuff. You get a nice cleaning cloth with that nice Jaxxon logo, you know what I mean? Black and white theme. I'm feeling that. Just for you, jaxxon.com. Not going to flip it over because just in case it's a code. Yeah, it's a code for a percentage off for your boy. Thank you. I appreciate that, Jaxxon. Appreciate that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Put that to the side 2 seconds. You get a little catalog with Jaxxon models on there, showing off the rest of their product. Flip it over. You know, hey, this is another barcode thing, you know what I'm saying? Something like a, you know what I mean? Shop with friends, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, you give a coupon, you get a coupon. So as you refer people to Jaxxon and they scan your barcode, things will get beneficial for both sides. The buyer, the giver, the receiver, you feel me? Hey, this is coming with a lot of more stuff than they usually come with, you know what I mean? So this is a Jaxxon certificate of authenticity. Usually authenticity cards come small. This one is coming big. They're trying to make a statement with everything they do. This Jaxxon certificate. I've purchased an authentic Jaxxon piece that was hand inspected before you received it. All right, there we go. Boom, bang, bow, flip it over. Jaxxon logo. Oh man, there's more to this. Man, they knew what they were doing for the holidays. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this. A ring sizer. So let's get it out this plastic. As y'all know, plastic beater, plastic beater. Plastic always gonna be the ops, as I always say. But we're gonna get this out of this plastic 2 seconds. Give me a few seconds. You know what I mean? Deliberate. Congregate. Conversate. You got it out the plastic. That wasn't too bad. And what we have here is a ring sizer. You know what I mean? In a big envelope too. Find your perfect fit. Now, I don't know if they watch my videos. I don't know if they've been watching other companies. But regardless of such, you know what I'm saying? There's another coupon code with another barcode. It's just coupon after coupon after coupon. Good looking. I appreciate that. With a ring sizer. Now, I don't want to mention the other company that was doing this. You know what I'm saying? I appreciated it from that company, but Jaxxon has now got on the wave, and guess what? Not only is it a nice ring sizer, This isn't paper, you know what I'm saying? This is no competition, but this is pretty dope, man. Jaxxon, this is what's up. I like this. This is one of them zip ties type of thing. This idea is dope. I don't know what y'all think about this presentation, but Jaxxon has definitely stepped up their game to the fullest. You heard, you know what I mean? So I know that was a long intro, but if you look at everything this thing comes with, man, coupon after coupon for you and your friends, 15 to 20% off. You feel what I'm saying, man? And a ring sizer? You can't be mad at that. Let's put those stuff to the side 2 seconds and let's get to the box and the task at hand. Boom, you got a slide out box. Got that Jaxxon logo, slide out box, and bam, Jaxxon again. Their branding is amazing. It's pretty simple, but hey, it makes a statement with that black and white. You feel me? Let's open it up. Got a magnetized flip box, and bam, here goes your product. Got that nice Jaxxon suede interior. Can't knock them for that. You feel me? And you see that contrast between the black and the white every time they switch it up. And bam, look what you got here. A black stone 925 silver tennis bracelet. Now, I don't know what y'all think about this thing, man, but this thing for me hits. I love it. I like it, man. This thing is super duper dope. I don't know what y'all feel about black stones, but if y'all been watching me for a while, y'all know I got a thing for color stones and a thing for black stones. I like to wear it. I like to dress up in black stone jewelry, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Let's take this off 2 seconds. Matter of fact, I should have left that on. Let's check the security on it. Is it going to come off your wrist? Is it going to come off your wrist? Doesn't look like it comes off your wrist, man. This thing is dope. It's amazing. It feels very sturdy and it feels very heavy. We're going to weigh it, and if you stay to the end, you'll get an on the wrist and a diamond test. Although we know these things are CZs, we'll still diamond test it for entertainment purposes only. But look at that, man. Just with the basic light that's on it now. Look at that, man. And what y'all got to understand about black stones, they don't really take in light. They refract light. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? The kind of light bounces off of it. It's a different kind of shine. I enjoy it. That's why black stones are my personal, black and yellow stones are my personal favorite. But you gotta, you know what I mean? You gotta appreciate this, man. So, sturdy, secured lock. You know what I mean? Look at that thing, man. Now, what we gotta look for now, hold on, let me take the security lock off. See, we gotta look. We got the official 925 stamp. Bam! You know what I'm saying? Stamped and certified. Italian silver, that's what they say. That's what they say the stuff is made of. And this thing feels sturdy. So let me just take it off real quick. Take the security lock off. Oh, and check that out. Not only is it an 8-figure class on the side, it's a button. It's a button on the side as well to push down. So that's double security from my point of view. So this is it. This is how it looks. Certified silver with black CZ stones on that thing, man. This thing is crazy. Now I know what y'all want to know, man. Hey, yo, Stevie D, man. How much is that thing, man? That thing looking crazy. This thing right now, I don't know if it was about $200 and something at the time, but for the holidays it went down to $148, and then I had a coupon to use, so I think I spent lower than that. But if you hurry up and rush to Jaxxon, anytime they come out with a tennis product, a tennis chain, or a tennis bracelet, they sell out fast. So if I was you guys, man, I would rush over to Jaxxon now, take advantage of whatever 20% off, 22% off, or free shipping they got going on, man. As you can see, they got great quality products, man. I can't knock it. I like it. Y'all let me know what y'all think about how these black stones shine, or the way they reflect light, however the word is, you know, forgive me, you know what I mean? But black diamonds or CZs or black stones in general don't really take in shine. They just shine different. I like them. I think when you're in the dark, or when you're just in a, you know, heavily lit or, you know, dimly lit area, they still make a statement, and it's something different. You feel me? So stay to the end of the video. Like I said, I think right now it's going for $148. I think the original price is 2 something. So forgive me, Jaxxon, if I don't got that right, but I know the original price is something higher than what they're selling it right now. This is a size 8. That's my wrist. You feel me? Stay to the end. You get diamond test, shine test, and on the wrist profile. You know what I mean? I like this thing, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this thing, man. Not much more I can say about this thing, man. 1, 2, 3, I'm out.
So what I got here for y'all right now is just weighing of the product, and as you can see, it weighs in at 14 grams. Let's do it again for no capitalization. 14 grams, as you can see. What I got here for y'all right now, for entertainment purposes only, these are CZs. It's just a diamond test. I'm gonna try it once, I'm gonna try it twice, I'm gonna even try it on the table. And as you can see, they don't pass, but it doesn't take away from how the quality of the product or how the product just looks in general. You feel me? You heard. So what I got here for y'all right now is the shine test. Like I was saying in the beginning of the video, black stones do not soak in the light. The light reflects off of it, refracts or reflects off of it like glitter or glistening. You know what I mean? I like it look. It's a more humble look, but y'all let me know what y'all think. You feel me? What I got for y'all right now is on the wrist. Man, look at those stones glisten. Look at how it looks. And that 8-figure class, by the way, with the button, that 8-figure class is not an original 8-figure class. That's something different. It really secures on the wrist. You know what I mean? Y'all let me know what y'all think about this thing, man. 1, 2, 3. I'm officially out.